Jai Hind students, welcome to online class of Shriram Public School. Myself Shweta Srivastav, your maths teacher. In the previous class, I was explained exercise 3A. Now today we start exercise 3B. Exercise 3B is based on decimal addition. Let's start. Question first. 16, 8.7, 0.94, 6.8 and 7.77. Now first of all we convert in like decimal and after then do the addition. Clear? For addition and subtraction, first of all we convert the numbers in like decimal and after then do the addition and subtraction. Clear? So now let's start the exercise. B. Exercise 3B. Question first. 16, 8.7, 0.94, 6.8 and 7.77. I repeat again. 16, 8.7, 0.94, 6.8 and 7.7. Clear? So now first of all we convert in like decimal and after that do the addition. So now here is decimal, no decimal places. Here is 1 place, 2 place, 1 place, 2 place. So now converting like decimal, it means 16.00. 2 place decimal again. 8.70, 0.94, 6.80 and 7.77. 16.00, 8.70, 0.94, 6.80, 7.77. Now next is we make the column and do the addition. Always make the column and do the additions like 16.00, 8.70. Always write the numbers in the correct place. Clear? If the number is the ones, then write in the ones place. Clear? Now again 0.94, 6.80, 7.77. 16.00, 8.70, 0.94, 6.80, 7.77. Now start the addition. 7 and 4, 11. We write only 1. Carries also 1. 7, 1, 8. 9 and 8, 17. 17 and 8. 17 and 8 is 25. 25 and 7. 25 and 5, 30 and it's 2, 32. We write only 2. Carry is 3. 6, 3, 9. 9 and 8, 17. 17 and 6, 23. 23 and 7 is 30. We put the 0. Carry is 3. 3 and 1, 4. Now in the next step, student, we put the decimal, because look here, decimal how many places? 2 places. Then we in the result also we put the decimal. Decimal we put from back side, and because here the decimal 2 place, then we also put the decimal 2 place. Clear everyone? 40.21. Got it? Now student, follow the same process and complete other parts. Let's start one more question. Let's start question number 7. Question 7. Clear? Six 0.606 66.6 666 comma 0.066 0.66. Let's again check. 6.606 66.6 666 0.066 0.66. Clear? So now in the next step, student, we convert in like decimal. 3 place decimal, 1 place decimal, no place, 3 place, 2 place. So all are convert in 3 place. For like, we convert in 3 place decimal. It means 6.606 as it is 66.600. How many zeros we put? 2 zeros. Clear? Again 666.000. क्लियर? बिकॉज वी मेक द 3 प्लेस डेसिमल. हमें कितने प्लेस डेसिमल बनाने थे? 3 प्लेस. इसलिए हमने पॉइंट लगाए और 3 जीरोस लगा दिया. अब पॉइंट के बाद हम जीरो की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है, इसलिए हम जीरोस पुटअप कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज ऑलरेडी 3 प्लेस 0.066 एंड लास्ट इज 0.66 and 1 0. Clear? And in the next step, student, we make the columns and fill the numbers like 6.606. Clear? Next is 66.600. Again 666.000. Again 0.066 and 0.660. Now do the addition. Do the addition. 6 6 12. We write 2. Carries 1. 6 6 12 and 1 13. We write 3. Carries again 1. 6 6 12. 6 6 12. 6 3s are 18 and 1 19. We write 9. 6 6 12. 6 3s are 18 and carries also 18 1 19. Carries 1. 6 6 12. 6 3 18 and 1 19. Again write 9. Carries 1. 6 6 12 and 1 13. We write 3. Carries 1. 6 1 7. Now next is the decimal. How many places decimal? 3 places decimal. Then we also write the decimal in 3 places. Clear, student? Decimal how many places we write? 3 place. It means 739.932. Clear? Got it? So now student, move on the next questions. Is follow the same process. First of all, convert in like decimal. After then make the column and do the addition. Clear? Now move on the subtraction. Subtraction, student, 14.79 from 72.43. Because here is from word use. Then in this question is the 14.79 subtract from which number? From 72.43. It means 14.79 को 72.43 से subtract करना है. इस नंबर को हमें इस नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। क्लियर? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें भी हमें लाइक में कन्वर्ट करना है, ये ऑलरेडी लाइक में है। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। 14.79 from 14.79 from 72.43, 14.79 from 72.43. Clear? Already in the like decimal, then only direct we write in column and do the subtraction. 72.43 and 14.79, do the subtraction. Here is small number, 1 borrow, 13, 13 minus 9 is 4, this place again 3, this because 1 given, this place 3, again 1 borrow, 13, 13 minus 7 is 6, again 1 borrow, 13, 13 minus 9 is 4, this place also 3, 1 borrow, 13, 13 minus 7 is 6, this place 1, 1 borrow, 11, 11 minus 4 is 7, this place is 6, x minus 1 is 5. Now next process, write the decimal. Decimal how many places? 2 places. Then we also write the decimal 2 place. Clear? Decimal how many place we write? 2 place decimal. Write the decimal in 2 place. Clear? 57.64. Now move on the next question, student, is all are the subtraction question. Look here, subtract. All are the subtraction question. This is also subtraction question. This is also subtraction question. Take out 5.746 from 9.1. Take out. It means 9.1 से हमें क्या subtract करना है? 5.746. Clear? All are the subtraction question. Now question 22 is the, चलिए एक हम क्वेश्चन 17 लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन 17, because unlike question from unlike decimal, then one question we take from the unlike. Clear? 5 point, question number 17, 5.746 from 9.1. 5.746 from 9.1. Now student, from 9.1 it means 9.1 से subtract करना है. 9.1 minus 5.746. 9.1 minus 5.746, decimal 1 place we put the 2 zeros and convert in like decimal. Number convert in like decimal, क्या हो गया? like में convert हो गया. We put the 2 zeros. Now again do the subtraction. 1 borrow, 10, 10 minus 6 is 4. This place is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. This place 0, 1 borrow, 10, 10 minus 7 is 3. This place 8, 8 minus 5 is also 3. Now decimal 3 place, we also put the decimal 3 place. Clear? So now is 3.354. 3.354. So now student, here I explain the some questions. Try to solve and complete whole exercise. When you have doubt, ask in evening class. Question 22 is different. Rohit purchased a notebook and a pencil and a pen for rupees is given. He gave the 50 rupees note to the shopkeeper. What amount did he get back? So first of all, add the total amount and after then subtract from the 50. Try to solve. When you have doubt, ask in evening class. Clear? Try to solve. Firstly add and after then subtract from 50. Clear? Thanks student, class is over.